In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with a Facebook gaming page. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So in one of my most recent videos, I asked you guys to submit your questions in regards to making money online, Facebook monetization, or affiliate marketing. One of the questions that I got was this one from someone who wanted to know, how can you start a Facebook gaming page with 0 followers? Well, I actually covered this topic in a previous video, which you can go and watch. If you click on the description of this video, you'll be able to see a real life example of someone who is making very good money with a Facebook gaming page. And I explained the whole process of how they did it and exactly how much money they spent to get there and how much money they're making now. But I thought, well, why not make a video explaining how you can make $100 per day with a Facebook gaming page using video ad breaks. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you some real life examples of Facebook pages that are utilizing video ad breaks to make money and how they can easily make $100 per day, how you can do the exact same thing if you take the time to implement this strategy. There are some requirements that you need to meet in order to get monetized on Facebook, just like on YouTube, where you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. On Facebook, you need 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute views in the last 60 days. Now, although that may sound like a lot, it's actually very simple to achieve. In fact, I actually teach this in my Facebook Income School course, where I go over the entire process on how to grow a Facebook page from 0 to 10,000 likes in less than 90 days and how you can monetize your videos and make money from your videos. If you guys want to check that out, I'm going to put a link in the description below. How can you make money with a gaming Facebook page, and what is the best way to grow a Facebook gaming page from 0 to 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 likes? So when it comes to growing a Facebook page, you have two options. One is the general gaming page, and the other one is the game specific gaming page. I'm going to show you two examples in this video. I'm going to show you real life examples of Facebook pages in both categories. Now, my preferred way to grow a Facebook page is using Facebook ads, mainly because the audience is already there waiting for you. So if you have a small budget, even if you only can spend $5 per day, that still will be enough to get you to 10,000 likes if you know exactly how to target those people. So for example, let's say that you want to build a general Facebook gaming page. What that means is that you're going to be posting video clips on your Facebook page from different games, specific popular games that people are playing right now. You're not actually posting clips from just one specific game. You're posting a bunch of different clips on many different games. And this is why it's called a general gaming page, because you pull clips from many different sources and those clips can be from multiple games. With a game specific page, it's different because you might only post video clips from that specific game. So that could be Fortnite, that could be Minecraft, that could be a specific popular game that everyone's playing right now, and you're building a page, a community around that specific game. So you're pulling clips from multiple sources, but only about that specific game. And of course, you don't want to just take clips from YouTube and upload them on Facebook, because Facebook wants unique videos. Facebook wants you to upload videos that are not found anywhere else. And this is quite simple to do if you know how to edit your videos, how to create unique videos. And I'm gonna show you a few examples on how that works. So in order for me to show you that, we need to jump into my computer right now. All right guys, so the first page that I want to show you is a general gaming page, and this is what I mean by a general gaming page, because they post clips from many different types of games, not just one specific game. And this page is called Gamerficial, and even in the about section they explain that these are not their videos. They basically search for content on the web and they reutilize those videos and place them and put them on their Facebook page. And as you can see, they have 72,000 likes on the page. And if we take a look at some of the videos that they have here, you can see this video with 19,000 shares and 34,000 likes. And if we actually hit play, You can see the video is 8 minutes long. So that means this video can be monetized. Videos that are longer than 3 minutes can be monetized. And so they can have ads, and every time an ad is placed, just like on YouTube, they make money from the video. If we scroll down, you can see a pattern of the type of videos that they have. They have the simple video clip, they have the watermark for their page, and they have some text on top. This is known as a meme video or a caption video, where basically you just place some text on top of the video, add some music, and now you have a unique video. So even though this clip might be from somewhere else on the web, might be from YouTube, they took that video and they made it unique by just placing some text, perhaps changing the music, perhaps adding the watermark, making that video unique. And so that's exactly what Facebook wants. They want unique videos. Even if the video is found somewhere else, you can still make that video unique. So if we take a look at their video section, you'll see that much of their videos have that same format, where basically every single video is over 3 minutes long. And the only reason why you see these videos that are over 3 minutes long is because each of those videos are monetized. They're making money from those videos. So this video here was uploaded yesterday with 71,000 views. So every single month they're getting millions of views, and they're probably making a few $1,000s per month. I would say over $10,000 per month just by uploading clips from different video games. And there's nothing special about the editing process of these videos. It's just simply, the text on top, perhaps changing the music, or in some cases adding a voiceover to make it funny, to make it unique. So I want to show you another example, and this page is called Gameyverse, and this is a very similar page. In fact, they have here submit your clips for a chance to be featured. So that means they're asking their own followers to send them their videos so they can utilize those videos for their page, and of course they're going to be monetizing that content. So this page has 187,000 views, and if we go down, you can see they have some memes, but they also have some videos, and the videos have decent amount of likes and shares. So we're going to go to the video section here. So we're going to scroll down here, and you can see these guys are posting, not every single video is over 3 minutes long, but these guys are posting videos that are probably submitted by their own followers or taking clips from different sources online, and not every single video is over 3 minutes long. Unlike this page, they are monetizing every single video that they upload. These guys are not doing that. So this will definitely be a better example of how you could do a Facebook gaming page if you want to make over $100 per day. And as you can see, you don't need lots and lots of followers to be able to generate thousands and hundreds of thousands of views, because this video right here has 344,000 views, and the page only has about 80,000 likes. So you don't need 500,000 likes if you want to get a few million views per month. You simply need to have some very good videos. Make sure that you make that video unique in some way, and let Facebook distribute your video to ensure that you get the most views possible. Now I want to show you a game specific page, and what this means is that it is a Facebook page dedicated to only one game. And because there's thousands and millions of games out there, that means that you can create a page about any game that you really like. Like this one is called Apex Legends News, and as you can see, it's not an official page. They have 452,000 likes, and the format is quite similar to the previous page that I just showed you. This one has some text on top, and they just added this to make the video unique. And then we have the watermark here on the sideline, and as you can see, they are actually providing credit to the video owner. This is exactly what I teach in my Facebook Income School, because this is the best way to do it. This is the best way to grow Facebook pages and ensure that the content that you have there does really well on Facebook without worrying about whether Facebook or someone is going to take down your video. Now if we scroll down, you can see the same thing again. They're providing credit here. So check out their video section. The format is pretty much the same across all of their videos. Every single video over 3 minutes long. So that means that even though they don't have like 1 million followers, they're still able to make a nice living. In some cases, you can see that they have multiple videos being uploaded in a single day. So this date right here, they had over 100,000 views on that day. So you can bet that they made over $100 in that specific date. And not only that, every single video that's uploaded, so at the end of the month, all the collective videos might get a few million views per month. So they might be making over $10,000 per month just by using other people's videos. So guys, as you can see, this is not complicated. There are thousands of games out there. You can create a page about any specific game that you want, or you can do what Gamerfishl is doing, which is just uploading video clips from different games and attracting people from those games to the page. And the best way to do that is you utilizing Facebook ads. You can go on Facebook ads and you can target specifically people who like Apex Legends, and you can spend $200, $300, $500 in 6 months to build a page that has 50,000, 100,000 likes, because you can bring those people to your page because they already like the game. As you can see, making $100 per day with a gaming Facebook page, it's not complicated. You do have to spend some time in the beginning to create the page, to find the content, and the best way to get the content is to ensure that you have at least 10,000 followers, because that way people are more likely to give you their content for your page. Awesome. All right, so now that you understand the process of how these pages actually make money, let's talk about how to grow a gaming page. There's 2 ways to do that, and it works the same for every single type of page. There's community engagement and Facebook ads. Those are the 2 ways to grow a Facebook page. Community engagement is something that you can do for free every single day. So that means that you utilize your page name to join groups in your niche, basically meaning that you join groups and you engage with other pages in the same niche as yours, and basically you start bringing people from other Facebook pages and from groups back to your page, and you create content that people want to share and like. And it's a lot of work and a lot of effort, because you have to be constantly putting out content and making sure that you're engaging with people, and every single like that you get, it might be slow in the beginning, but it might take you a few months to get to 10,000 likes. What I believe is the best way to do it is utilizing Facebook ads, because the audience is already there, and you can have a very small budget of $5 per day, and you can grow your page to 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 likes of real targeted people who are interested in the topic of your page. And this most likely is going to help you get more views for your videos and make more money. So basically what you're doing is you're paying for the followers, but you're going to get results a lot faster than actually using the first method, which is engaging with the community. Of course, you should do both at the same time, but if you want to grow extremely fast, if you want to get to numbers like 50,000, 100,000 likes on Facebook for your gaming page, the fastest way to do that is with Facebook ads. And don't worry, using Facebook ads is not as complicated as you might think. In fact, I posted a 22-minute video training where I cover all the basics of Facebook ads, and you can go and learn how to do this yourself. And like I said, anyone can do this. It's not complicated. All you have to do is have a small budget and know exactly the type of content and page that you want to build. And if all of this sounds too complicated and you want a step-by-step breakdown process of growing a Facebook page from scratch, monetizing your page, and everything that you might want to know about Facebook monetization, then what I want you to do is just click the link below to go to my Facebook Income School. We have a private Facebook group where many of my students are sharing success stories on how they're starting to make money on Facebook using this exact same techniques. So guys, this is the best way to make money with a Facebook gaming page without you having to record your own videos. This is basically using other people's videos and utilizing the community who loves gaming to even give you their own videos for you to make money from those videos, because people just like to share the content. And if you have a big audience, most likely you can utilize that audience to not only get videos that you can use on your page, but also make a very nice living. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.